Paper instructions slow your team down.
They're easy to lose, hard to update, and even harder to follow.
So in this video, I'll show you how digital work instructions help manufacturers reduce mistakes, speed up training, and keep production moving. All the paperwork. So I think quick access means faster work, and paper binders are just too slow. With digital work instructions, operators can instantly find the latest version. They can view the tasks on a screen right in front of them, and they can follow visual steps and visuals. These are ideal for new starters, and it helps everyone to work more efficiently. They lead to fewer mistakes with step-by-step guidance. When work instructions are clear and interactive, operators can stay on track. Some systems even lock the next step until the current one's confirmed, so nothing gets skipped. The result, fewer errors, less rework, and better quality. And how about real-time visibility of what's happening? With digital instructions, every step is trapped. Supervisors can monitor progress without walking around the floor. They can spot delays or bottlenecks quickly and use data to improve their processes. It's a simple way to stay in control of your operations. And safety is built into the process. Digital instructions can include safety reminders right where they matter in the task. And that can mean handling warnings, equipment check, or PPE prompts. It keeps safety visible and front of mind. So why does this matter now? This isn't just about going paperless. Digital instructions give you a more consistent process, a safer work environment, and faster, clearer onboarding for new operators. So whether you're scaling up or tightening your processes, it's the kind of visibility every modern factory needs. So digital instructions simplify production. They make the right processes easy to follow and easy to repeat. There's less guesswork, more consistency, and there's a team that's set up to do great work
every time.